Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I have another November, nearly said October, November unboxing for you today, and it is from Glossybox. Here we go. So what is Glossybox? How much does it cost? How can you get your hands on it? Let's tell you all about it. So Glossybox is a UK based monthly subscription box. They are now available in the US as well. This costs £10 a month plus £3.25 postage and packaging. However, there are lots and lots of different subscription plans that they have available on their website, and prices can go down as low as £11.25 with your postage and packaging included. We get at least 5 items in here, and the usual RRP value is at least £50 plus. I've been getting Glossybox now for a year. I have got, next month, I have got a video coming out that will be called A Year of Sub Boxes, a general review of all the subscription boxes I've had, what I think to them, am I going to continue any of them, have I cancelled, which ones I have cancelled if I have. So yeah, if you want to grab that video, or it sounds like something you'd like to watch, please do make sure you are subscribed, you've got your notification bell ticked and onto all. That way YouTube will tell you every other time I upload a video, which is around about 3 times a week at the moment. Right guys, let's just get into it. Let's find the pulley tabby thing. Here we go. Let's see if it comes up in one. Oh, it does. I love it when that happens. So we have the standard pink box this month, and here we go. Open it up. There we go. So we always get a leaflet on the top. This tells us all about the products inside the box, their RRP values, and a little bit about them. So I'll refer to this as we're going along. We have a sneak peek on the back for next month's box. So if you're not already subscribed to Glossybox, and after seeing this box and seeing what the sneak peek is for next month, you kind of fancy giving it a go into the description box below, because I'm pretty sure I've got a refer a friend link in there. Go through that and you'll get a discount on your first box. But this is, let's have a look. This is an eye serum, supposedly worth £102 from the company Symbiosis. There we go. I'll show you that. So everybody who orders a box in December will be getting that inside. Let's just open it up. So first things first, we have an eyeshadow palette. This is from the company LA Splash, and I think it's called something like the Magic Palette, something like that. Let's have a look. Yeah, the Magic Palette. Here's the outer packaging, which I have to say is absolutely stunning. And LA Splash is a brand that I would like to try some of their products from. We got a couple of LA Splashes brushes in, I think it was the June Glossy box, and I do enjoy using those. Here we go. Here's the inside packaging. Again, absolutely stunning packaging. Love it. And if I was going to keep a palette for the packaging alone, this would be one that I would do that for. However, when I show you, this is the inside. You've got a lovely mirror which doesn't show you your entire face, but it does, you know, show you your eyes, which at the end of the day, it's an eyeshadow palette. That's the area you want to be able to see. The little thingy's just fallen off. But there is the colour story, guys. It's a lovely neutral colour story. You've got a couple of sort of lighter highlighting shades up here. You've got, you know, transition-y shades here, darkening shade with the black, and then you've got 3 shimmers here. Now then, I'm not a neutrally girl. And to be perfectly honest, although this does look like a lovely palette, and like I say, I would like to try some of LA Splash's eyeshadows and things, I'm not going to be touching this because this is a palette that I'm going to gift away. Not quite sure how, when, where. I am thinking during the month of December that on my weekly Friday Night Natter, my weekly live stream, which is 8 PM UK time, every Friday in December I'm thinking of doing a flash giveaway on that live stream, and it will literally just be in the live stream on that evening. So this potentially might be an item that goes in there. Again, make sure you're subscribed and following me to join in with those. They're a great place, literally a virtual get together. Come in, bring your favourite beverage, talk about the week you've had, what you've got going off in your life if you want to. Fabulous community, very supportive, very open-minded, that seems to be building on there. So again, if that's something you're interested in, please do join us for that. So that's item number 1, and I believe that's got an RRP value of £29. Item number 2. This is by the company Hask, and it's an argan oil repairing deep conditioner. This is a 50ml or 50 gram sachet. This is what it looks like. There we go. And this has an RRP of £2. Now then, this is a full size product along with the palette, that's full size as well. Hask, we got again in a glossy box at the beginning of the year, we got a Hask argan oil hair oil, and I absolutely adored using that. This I am definitely going to keep, and I will be using. I do use conditioners on my hair. Obviously I colour my hair and stuff, so my hair can get a bit dry. So things like this to strengthen and restore dry damaged hair, absolutely up my street. I've only got obviously very short hair. I will potentially get 3 or 4 uses out of that packet. Obviously if you've got much longer hair, you know, potentially all that's going to go in one. You might even need 2, but yeah, I'm pleased that's in there, and we do tend to get a lot of Hask hair products in glossy box, but I'm not sad about that. So that one is a yay. This one is not a yay. This one is by the brand Kibella, I think it is, and it's a Recharge and Restore Purple Moonstone Glitter Gel Mask. It recharges the mind and rejuvenates the skin. Here we go. This again is full size, and this has an RRP of £2.49. Now then, as much as I love doing masks, particularly sheet masks, I really enjoy them, and clay masks for my skin work really well because I've got an oily skin. These things, no. These gel masks where you have to get them out of a packet and bleh, no, they're not for me. We had one, I believe it was by this brand actually, and that was a glitter peel off mask. Again, I think we got that in either November or December's box last year from Glossy Box, and oh my god, the air was blue when I tried that. No. So again, this is an item that's going to be gifted away. I mean, it's a nice, you know, a nice little fun thing, but I just know that this style of mask is not for me. Like I say, I'm a fan of sheet masks, and I actually am a moderator for my friend Lisa, for her channel Authentic Beauty. If you don't know Lisa, I'll link her channel up here for you now. Please do go pop over and say hi. And she does a live stream on a Friday, not a Friday evening, she does a live stream on a Sunday evening at 8 PM UK time called Self Care Sunday, where she takes her makeup off, she does a skincare routine, we all put sheet masks and face masks on, we all talk about it in the live stream, what we're using, how we've found the mask, one thing and another. So again, please do pop in and say hi on that on a Sunday evening, like I say. So that was item number 3. Item number 4. Now then, this is a product that I have already got, and I got this in my FabFitFun box, I think it was, in the summer. This is by the company Generation Clay, and it's a brightening purple clay mask. This is a 50ml tube, which I think is like half size. I think the full size is 100ml, and in the little booklet that I've got here, I've actually got the wrong booklet, because the other sort of tube of moisturising mask you could have got was a mud masky one. I haven't, like you can see, I've got the Generation Clay. Now the Mud Masky face mask has got an RRP value of £35. This I do know because they eventually, Glossybox did send me an email saying that I'd got the wrong leaflet in my box. This is actually worth £19 something. Like I say, it's a product I've already got. I haven't tried my other one yet because I've got so many masks and things that I'm trying to get through. This is sealed. I will keep this, and I will potentially use this one first to see whether or not it's suitable for my skin. And depending on that, I'll either then continue to use this, or my full-size one that I've got, I'll end up gifting that away or whatever. But potentially I am, you know, I'm not too upset that that's in there. However, 2 face masks in one Glossybox. No. That, to me, why? Why? Why would you put 2 face masks in one box? I know they're different types of face masks, but really? No. Anyway, so that's item number 4. And the last item is a makeup brush. Now, if you've been around my channel for a while, you do know that I have a bit of an issue with makeup brushes. I adore them. I buy them all the time. I'm never upset to get them in a subscription box. And I think, you know, if you are somebody who's just starting out in makeup, getting these subscription boxes where you get the brushes in, it's a great way to build your makeup brush collection without it costing you the earth as well. This is by the brand Spectrum. This is another brand that I'm interested in trying stuff from. It's part of their Zodiac range, and again, it's a full-size item, and it's a blending brush. Now, it does say it's a limited edition. Not sure why, because the Zodiac range you can buy, I feel unique and look fantastic. But anyway, and the RRP of this is £7.99. That's about right for makeup brushes, to be perfectly honest. Now then, it does feel like a nice weight to the brush, I have to say. There we go. There's the inside, and I'll just, there you go, there's your Spectrum stamp on there. This is the end of it. Nice, fluffy. Yeah, feels nice and soft. It's quite a large brush actually, so that will be really good for blending. So yeah, that is obviously an item that I will keep. So running through the 2 items, or 2/3 items I will be keeping. I'll be keeping the brush, that's worth £8. I'll be keeping the Hask Argan Oil hair conditioner, that's £2, so that's 10. So I've basically just about got the cost of my box back there. Fingers crossed the Generation Clay is going to be suitable for my skin, and supposedly, like I say, that's worth £19. So there we go, that's £29 value, isn't it? Then we've got the palette, that's supposedly worth £29, so that's a total of £58. And then we've got the other mask at £2.50. So we've got 5 items there, combined value of around about £60. What do I think to the box overall? Well, again, I think the eyeshadow, you know, I like the brand that it's from. I just feel as though subscription boxes are missing a trick with their eyeshadow palettes and things that they pop in. You know, I know the vast majority of people like their neutrals, but is this not an opportunity for subscription boxes to maybe just nudge people out of their comfort zones a wee bit, and maybe put some slightly different or more colourful eyeshadow palettes in there, you know? Anyway, I like the fact you've got the brush with it as well, so you can use it with the palette. You've got the hair conditioner, that's fantastic. 2 face masks, like I say, 1, absolutely, you know, and maybe we could have had a moisturiser in there, which is basically what the Mud Masky product is. You know, if you're going to put the clay face mask in, then this could have ideally been done with being something else. It's not bad, it's, you know, value-wise for what you're paying versus what you're getting, it is good. Yes, there are certainly 2 products I'm going to keep, potentially 3, and 2 are going to be given away. So, anyway, that's my thoughts and feelings on the November Glossy Box. Please let me know your thoughts and feelings and feedback down in the comments section below, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, if you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If so, please do hit that like button down below. That just helps YouTube with its algorithms to put my channel out there a little bit more and promote it a little bit better. Also hit that subscribe button and your notification bell. Like I say, I upload about 3 times a week. I do makeup looks, makeup hauls, I do some challenge collaboration videos with Lisa from Authentic Beauty, and of course we would love to meet and welcome you into the live chat, either mine on a Friday evening or Lisa does do too, 11 AM on a Thursday morning UK time, and then her Sunday evening one as well. Right, I think that's everything for today, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.